Induction replacement for gas cooktop? I have a 36 Thor gas cooktop as shown and would like suggestions on an induction replacement for this. Hopefully an induction model that has front panel controls to fill the space the gas one takes up now. Yes, that part of the cabinet is notched out for the gas cooktop. Thoughts, ideas and musings welcome. Question from user Elzul at Appliances at Reddit. Answer. What you have is a range top, not a cooktop. There are only a handful of brands that make induction range tops. Answer from user Ralph RK 1998 at Appliances at Reddit.